Everybody, it's Nick from Carpet Cleaning Nerds here, doing a job in Midway this morning. I want to show you some of the tools I have set up here. A lot of air movers here, a giant portable hot water extractor, a generator. This Brush Pro is an amazing tool to really get into the depths of the fiber, and I want to show you the job we're working on. It's kind of a hybrid job here. So we're doing the carpets of this particular RV. It's a sweet spot for us, and that looks like a mystery red stain. It's a sweet spot for us because we have a ton of experience in the cleaning industry, so we know how to detail vehicles, but we are carpet cleaning specialists. So let's just take a look at what we've got going on here. That could be a coffee stain of some sort. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna get as much of the dry particulates up from this carpet as we can. The dry soil needs to go first. You can see some grease spots over there. After that, we're going to pre-spray a detergent on here. We're going to agitate to try to break up the soil from that dirt, from those fibers, excuse me. And after we've broken the soil from the fibers, we're then going to come in with some hot water extraction and then use those air movers to really take care of things. Now, does this look like a fun job for the average RV owner? No. This is why you hire a professional, because, and I'm not just saying that as some, pitch. Look what I see here. Rug Doctor chemicals. Now the client is saying it's worth more to me to have a professional do it right than to go out and buy those chemicals and rent the Rug Doctor, because why would he be hiring me if that was the answer? So folks, I'm going to get to work on this pretty in need of some love interior here, taking care of it with all these amazing tools. Let's get into it. you guys, are you ready? Here we go. Let's take a look. That red stain, it's less faded, but it's still there. This was not a perfection job. But let me do this and I'll turn the camera around. So here we go. Those carpets came out very nicely. There's still a little stain there. I have to imagine that they have tried to get that out in the past. And at this point, you're kind of dealing with just a lot of time. And sometimes when other people have used products, perfection is not going to be part of the equation. These are old carpets, right? A lot of wear and tear, but at least y'all got to see the before. I think they came a long way. Let me stand back a little bit. I think they came here. There we go. There we go. So I'm gonna give you the light there, and you can see very strong traffic patterns, you know, and just some nastiness there. Definitely not perfection back here. It had a smell to it. I'm not sure if there's mold, but they certainly look just a lot better. Not perfect by any means, but a lot better. So this was quite the adventure, but these are sanitized, cleaned, and I can't even imagine how many years of wear and tear we tried to rectify today. And I think we did a pretty decent job, but sometimes there's only so much you can do.